Today I'm gonna make banana bread. This Shelf Cooking 101 book is where my banana bread recipe is from. I love this recipe. I've been using it for years. I do love to use buttermilk in place of the milk the recipe calls for, but this is the recipe that I use. And I use country crock too when I make it. It just turns out really like light and soft. So first I'm gonna preheat the oven to 350 degrees. I'm doubling this recipe, but for just one batch you'll need half a cup of butter. And like I said, I use country crock. It doesn't quite turn out the same when I just use butter. This is a margarine. Then you need 2 cups of sugar. Again, I'm doubling this, so I'm doing 4 cups, and this is a half cup measure. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you need 2 eggs. Since I'm doubling this and these eggs are smaller, I'm gonna do 5, I think.
It's my favorite color of the egg.
Buttermilk, or you could use regular milk. That's what the recipe actually calls for. But if I have buttermilk, I use it because I like it in this recipe. All right, it calls for a teaspoon, so that's about 2. I'm gonna take this over to my stand mixer. All right, then you need 1 teaspoon of baking soda. I'm doing 2 because I'm doubling it. And then 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Again, I'm doing 4 because I'm doubling it. 3 cups of flour, so I'm gonna do 6.
I just looked in the room. Because
Then you need 6 bananas. I'm gonna mash them up. Or you need 3, but I'm doubling this.
Does it say 92?
They're doing math over there. And this is getting very full. I'm gonna put this into my banana bread
16, right?
and mix it all in.
3,
What do you mean?
24.
Banana bread and banana
Another 8,
muffins.
you get 32. Add another 8, you get 40. Or try the 8.
Alright. I'm gonna do 2 loaves of banana bread and then some muffins. I'm just kidding.
I was gonna come ask you what I could do to help you. My God, I'm leaving.
Thank you. It's a good thing I didn't spray you.
Yeah, you wanted to.
And just if you could help Zane with the show, that kind of stuff. Otherwise, I'm doing good. Thank you, honey.
Hey, Zane. Aaron.
Alright. Whoa, that was a lot. And then I'm gonna make the rest into banana chocolate chip muffins. So I'm gonna add some chocolate chips. First, I'm gonna get these in the oven. Alright, I'm gonna do like a 2/3 cup of mini chocolate chips. Maybe a little more. And then we'll put these in my muffin pan. My kids are all trying on their Halloween costumes. I was trying to film this video before they got home from school, and that didn't happen.
Where's all the daycare kids?
Daycare is closed today. It's Columbus Day.
Oh yeah. I wish that daycare kids were here today. Because then when they get home from school, I would show them if it was here.
Well, you
And it
can still
was
show
here.
them tomorrow after school.
I think I need.
Or the next day when you don't have school. Alright, in the oven.
What is your reason? Oh, there's like. Where's the other one?
Oh, I'm glad you're keeping track. Alright, and this one just had 9. So that one's been in the oven too. It is way later, but I just wanted to show you that my banana bread muffins and banana bread did get finished. I actually forgot about it, so thank goodness it doesn't look too overdone. My son did try 2 muffins and he said they were great. So yeah, they turned out. That was our banana bread adventure for today.